Hello. Before starting the Java programming, we need to install the IDE, Integrated Development Environment. So, I will show you where we can do the Java programming, but I will recommend to install you the BlueJ. So first let me show you what are the other options are over there. Like you can write IntelliJ, and from the IntelliJ IDEA you can install the IntelliJ and you can write the Java programming over there. So benefit is that you can write big Java program over there. This is mainly for the program development. Another one of the popular environment is that Eclipse. So again, you can just type Eclipse over here and you can download that one and you can install it. Next one which I prefer is that, and I'm going to show my programming, all the programming, Java programming, which I'm going to show in the BlueJ environment. BlueJ environment is developed by the students for the students. Here you can write, you can write small Java program. A lot of debugging tools are over there, and you can easily can correct your program. So I strongly recommend the BlueJ environment. So before all this BlueJ, Eclipse and the IntelliJ, what you need to do is that you need to install the JDK, Java Development Kit. So you can just type Java JDK download over here. You will get the screen and then you will click here. Once you click over here, then you have to go to the Java AC Development Kit and you have to go to the Windows or Mac or Linux. I have Windows environment, so I use generally the MSI installer. And then if you go to the BlueJ, so I will show you how to install the BlueJ. So BlueJ, Eclipse or IntelliJ, whatever you want, these are the IDE, but you need the JDK. So you have to install the JDK according to your operating system. All these links will be provided in the comment section. You go to the description section and the comment section, you will get all these links. I will provide all this link. So BlueJ, if you click on BlueJ and then you can click on the BlueJ installation and then you can find out all this thing over there and how to install it over there. So that detail is given over there. You can download it from there. You can also search the BlueJ for the Windows. That way also you can search BlueJ for Windows. And that way you can search also. This one also from the Softonic also you can download. So which one is your comfortable for you? But if you just want to try and for the time being that you are not able to do it or like that, you can use that online Java compiler which is by the programmis.com. This also link also I will share with you. So if you are very beginner, you are not able to install, you have seen the video but just you want to try that one, for that you can use Programmis for the few days, but for the long run you have to install the BlueJ. So I have shown you the example, the options IntelliJ, Eclipse, BlueJ, and if nothing works, for the time being, you can work for the online Java compiler, but it is having some limitation. But the first few days, these are fine. So gear up, all of you. We will see you in the next video. Thank you.